ancestral, they're cleverly useful they are. Here we go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. Before they set fire or anything. They just don't know what they're doing. That's enough for today. You should probably head back.
But I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest.
Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no.
Looks like you've lost power.
I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo.
Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem.
That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, it's those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragon Fire's got a chip. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Pixie, Scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.